Hello, ceiling fan collectors and ceiling fan enthusiasts. This is part 2 of Happy National Ceiling Fan Day of the installments inside my mother's house. First fan here is the kitchen fan, which is a Quorum Classic. Yes, there is no globe on this, but I took it off because I am missing screws currently for this. So this is a Quorum Classic. This fan dates to, I believe, sometime in the late 90s. I have it running on medium as this fan stays on pretty much all the time. This fan is technically a parts buildup as well, as the blades are off a early 90s Quorum and they're non-reversible. As the Quorum Classic, the blades are usually reversible. All right, we're gonna go on to the second fan here. And as you see, we got a Fasco Charleston, 3rd generation. It is from 1988. It is a gorgeous fan. I got this fan back at Habitat down in Ocean Isle Beach before COVID was a thing. And back when Habitat actually had decent fans in their stores. We're gonna zoom out a little bit just so we can see the fan a little better. It's in great condition, well taken care of, and it has a Hampton Bay pool fob on it. Anyways, so there's the Quorum again. Sorry about that. Third fan here, got a Gulf Coast Dixie Belle in antique white with the uncommon cane blades. I got this fan off of Marketplace. It looks like we might be having a little bit of capacitor issues with this thing. I'm not entirely sure what's going on with it, but I've put this fan up about a year or so ago. It replaced a Litex Signet Deluxe, I believe is what it's called, or the Signet. But it was a footprint vent here prior to this fan. This fan's gorgeous. It uses a 188 by 15 or 20 millimeter motor with about a 12-degree blade pitch. These fuckers really do fly. Sorry for the shaking of the camera. We're going to turn this fan back up to its high speed where it was originally at. And yes, the light kit does work. But we're going to continue on here. Sorry if I'm shaking a little bit. Fourth fan here. We got a Hampton Bay Minuet 2 in satin brass with the rosewood side of the blade showing. This fan got new in box from Home Depot back in like 1999, 2000, somewhere in there. This fan dates to sometime around 98 or 99. It is SMC made and it's been my hallway fan for about 2.5, 3 years now. All right, and the spare bedroom is one of the recent additions. We have this, I believe, is an Encon hugger. There is a video of this fan currently on my channel. This fan I got at Habitat. It has stencil blades, and I'll show it to you right now. I have still not messed with the light on this fan, and I'll just kind of stop it for you right quick just so you can see the stencil this fan has. Really not much else to say, but this fan replaced a what is it, Hunter Sea Air. Light kit right now doesn't work on this fan, but I'm still gonna fix it. I just don't know when. There's the Minuet 2 again. All right, yeah, it's a little bit of a ugh. Anyways, my bedroom, we have a 52-inch Hunter Alvarado. I got this fan new in box from Home Depot back in February. I'm thinking about replacing it, but I'm not entirely sure yet. This fan is a beast. For a newer Hunter, I will say these fans are great. I know a lot of people tend to give Hunter shit. This is probably one of the few products Hunter has made in recent years that is actually good. Build quality is good. The motor quality is really good. It uses a 153, I think by 15 or so motor. Yeah, the motor quality could be better, but for what it is, it's a good fan. And we are going to turn it off just a second. Just slow it down a little bit just so we can see the blades. These blades are, I believe, like driftwood-ish or something like that. And they're non-reversible. They only have one side, which is the only downfall I hate about this. But anyways, we're going to crank this fan back up to where it originally was, which was on its high speed. Anyhow, in the spare bedroom, right now we have a temporary install. I had just put this fan up. This fan was replacing a Hampton Bay Carousel 2. This is my Craft-Made Decorative from April of 2004. This fan is a shit fan. I was going to use it for parts, but right now it's being used as a temporary install until I find a mounting system for this bad boy right here, which is a Design House Manhattan with the new old stock light kit that is new tone. Yeah, excuse the mess on this bed. And then there's that Litex Signet Deluxe that my Dixie Belle replaced. I got a Fasco Charleston motor, just a motor. And then there's a Hunter Cassius as well. Yeah, this fan, it's a junk room here, obviously. There's a Fasco Parlor fan, my Windsor and Brown, the Carousel 2, Hunter Cabana, and then Hampton Bay Minuet. So do not judge me there. This is a junk room. This is literally what it's for. But there's the Minuet again. We're gonna continue on. All right, and we got one more view of the Dixie Belle back on its high speed. And then we're gonna continue on with the final fan. And the final fan is a Hampton Bay Huntington 3. I got this fan new in box from Habitat in the middle part of 2021. This fan surprisingly doesn't have the damn blade droop, unlike the other fans that I've previously, the other fans that Huntingtons are known for. But this one has definitely got some, it's in pretty good shape for the most part. It's a little dusty, but it is what it is. But anyways, this is the Ginger Fan Man 92 here. This concludes the National Ceiling Fan Day videos of 2023. Stay tuned to the channel, as there may be some more uploads here and there from the time being. Anyways, y'all have a great day and take care.